Ay, Josh! Tignan nyo guys, tapos na kami sa aming party bags. Ito pala yung ating pa-outfit guys today kasi very warm outside. So, ito yung suot ko. But I think this would be the last time na isusuot ko to. Maybe if it not the last one, maybe second to the last. Kasi, sumisikip na siya dito guys. Alam niyo naman na lumalaki ng ating baby girl. Ayan, oh. Oh, are you okay? Sana all puti ang ilok. Sana all puti ang ilok. Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Say welcome back to our channel.
Say cheers. Say cheers.
It's Saturday morning. It's 11:40 ng umaga. Nandito kami ngayon sa cafe kasi today gagawa tayo ng parang final na ang tawag dito guys, final na paghahanda para sa birthday party ni Tyrus bukas. So mag-grocery kami, bibili kami ng mga drinks and all para ready na bukas. But first, ayan, bumili muna kami ng drinks namin guys. And it's a nice day today. It's very sunny. Kaya tingnan nyo ang pa-outfit ni Mami. Dress tayo, floral kasi, warm day. I bought hot chocolate. Show them what you got, Nak. Nak, show Tita and Tito what you got.
Ice cream!
Ice cream. Paris got ice chocolate. And Daddy's got
Iced almond latte.
Ngayon lang pala nakarating si Daddy tsaka si Paris dito guys. Nauna ako dito because I came here earlier for my nails. Ayan. So, si Mami buntit niyo ay nagpagawa ng kanyang kuko. Ayan. Do you like it, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Nice? I like the color guys. First time ko palang nagpaganito ng kulay.
Mama, what color is your nail? Mama, what color is your nail?
What color is it?
Pink.
Pink?
Lacquer.
Have a look. That's not pink.
What's that color?
What color is it?
Mama's color is cow down.
It's orange.
Yes, that's orange.
Do you like it though? Do you like it?
Yes.
Sure. Give me thumbs up if you like it. Give me thumbs up if you like it. So yeah, it's going to be a busy day today guys kasi in-ready din natin yung mga party bags for tomorrow. And also, hindi pala matutuloy sina Ate Wallen today, diba? Sa previous video ko, sabi ko na dito sila matutulog tonight. Anak, careful, anak!
Oh, yeah, put it back, put it back, put it back.
But, nag-message siya sa akin kagabi na hindi na sila matutuloy today. Bukas na lang daw sila sa birthday party talaga ni Paris. And yeah, I'm a bit sad kasi, obviously, I would love their, parang company today, tonight. But anyways, that's all good. Anak, hala, anakot. Hala, careful, Baba.
How strong, Mommy?
How strong, hala. Look, nasa imong dress na. I love your dress para ba, Nak? You got strawberries on your dress. I love it. Do you like your dress?
Uh-huh.
Parang jingle bells na. What is it? Ants. Ants.
We could have pear and apple and the
What is this?
broccoli.
What is it?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. This one.
What's that?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Yeah.
Grapes.
That's right. That's grapes.
And there's a pear there.
It's a pear.
And look, this is apple. This is orange. Apples. Tomato.
What is that?
That's tomato.
Potato.
Potato.
Come on. Let's go.
Pineapple.
Let's go get watermelon for tomorrow.
Wow, kiwi.
Here. What is that, anak?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. Well done.
And this is great.
What's this?
This is
Baba, what's this?
watermelon.
Watermelon.
Mommy, look at this.
What is that?
What is this?
Oh, that's beetroot.
That's salad. What you got there?
What is that? Bili tayo nito guys for tomorrow. Yun yun.
Okay.
Paris! Come na! Let's go! So, ayan na yung mga napamili namin from the shops. Ayan, hindi ko na isa-isahin guys ha. Ayan. Meron tayong Coke. Mga drinks. This is sparkling water. Then, fruit. Ayan. Some here, some chips. Ayan, easy lang for tomorrow. Ayan. Let's eat and we'll just put them all away. After putting them all away, guys, i-organize na natin yung party bags for tomorrow. Yes, sama ko kayo guys para i-show ko sa inyo kung ano yung ilalagay natin sa mga party bags natin and all. And also, update pala dun sa, kasi nagpagawa na rin ako ng, guys, cupcakes and cookies. So, yung cupcakes pala, frozen theme. And then, yung cookies ay parang Paris theme lang. So, i-insert ko yung photo kasi sinendan ako ng photo ng gumawa ng mga cookies ni Baby Paris. So, it looks really, really cute. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa bedroom ni Baby Paris. Say hi sa tita.
Baby Paris, I'm Sky.
Oh, you're Sky. Okay, say hi tita lagi.
Hi, Tita.
Wave! Wave like this.
Hi, Tita.
Ayan. Kasi mag-organize na kami ng kanyang party bag for tomorrow. And, asa mo yung party bag na ito? Ito lang pala yung binili namin siya. Dito ang ito yung party bag first. Ito guys. Maliliit. Ayan. So, 6 kids. Oh, that's for tomorrow, anak. That's total of 12 guys. Kasi wala namang, siguro mga less than 12 nga siguro yung mga kids bukas. But,
What happened if I'm eating?
okay. Hala, sobrang liit ng day nito, uy.
Mommy,
Yes, anak.
it's for my candy.
Yeah, it's for your candy.
It's for
You
a
open it?
candy. That's a candy.
You open it? So,
Mommy,
yung ilalagay natin, guys, yung mga lollies.
like Coke.
Yeah. We have some, like, sunny sunglasses, more toys. Ayan. Hala, guys. Wala, sobrang dami mo ganito na ko, eh. There's more sunglasses. Wait, that's the thing for tomorrow. For your cake, yeah. What else in here? Let's take Anna. Oh, that's for tomorrow. And then, here is...
Mommy, my seven this one?
Of course.
Yay!
I just for tomorrow na. Ito yung party mix, guys.
Mom,
Pero,
can I finish?
hindi natin yan malalagay na. We can put that inside your party bag. Ito yung ilalagay natin sa party bag, anak. Oh, ayan. So, may mga noise maker party toys.
Mommy,
And then, lollipop.
Mommy, can I one?
Lah,
My can I one?
lah, di mo nagulti yung nak. Saan ni nak?
Try.
Oh, that's yours na ha. Don't put it back. Ayan. And then,
Mommy, you can do that. You can do it, Mommy.
I forgot to give this to you.
Mommy, look at this.
Tignan nyo, guys. So,
Mommy,
binili
look
ko
at
to
this.
siya
Mommy,
na
look at this.
More. Ang Elsa na lollipop. Then, meron tayong mga dito guys. Yung mga candies na ganyan. Mabilis na. Yan. Oh.
Mommy, look what?
Oh, we've got more. See? Marshmallows na heart and shape.
Mommy.
Yes, anak. So, yan lang yung laman ng ating ano guys. Party bag.
Where did you drop the candy? Mommy, here.
Yeah. More candies. Ayan. So, first, lagay tayo ng, so, ito isa guys. Lagay tayo ng, ayan, maybe, 2 marshmallows. Ayan, sa loob. And then, you can put 1, lollipop. Toy. Ayan. Noise maker.
Mommy, try it.
Lanak, dili pa nun. Asa pa man ang uban nga
I'll try one.
glasses na? Si Paris kasi guys, ginamit niyo. Hindi lahat merong sunglasses, ano? Ayan. Random lang yung ilalagay natin guys ba? There. Ayan. Okay lang naman dahil guys, oh, na maliit. Kasi konti lang naman yung laman. Mama, give me 2 marshmallows please, anak. Okay. Give me 2 marshmallows. Don't put it back here na ha, kaya you use it already. 2 marshmallows. Then, got this. Ayan guys. Wait, duha na. What's in the bag? Oh. What's that? Show mommy? Hindi?
Huh?
Just remember, when you eat the candy,
Mommy.
you brush your teeth. Ay. Na. You have to put it here. Give mo. There, and this one. Ito lang naman talaga yung gusto ng mga kids guys, mga laruan-laruan. Oh, diba? Tapos yung pinagawa ko na na cookies for Paris, dito ko din ilalagay yun. Isa-isa every box. Ay, paper bag yun. Nakasang anak. True. Alam, panulod na ni Paris kanina. Ako ng spaghetti. Pero, babalik pa ako ng shops kasi bibili pa ako ng cheese. Hindi ko nakalimutan guys, talagang nagmamadali ako kanina pag uwi kasi kailangan ko nang mag-toilet. Kaya, yung sabi ko, babalik na lang ako. Whose birthday celebration tomorrow?
Me!
Is it your birthday celebration tomorrow? Sing happy birthday to yourself. Happy birthday to you. The whole March, guys, birthday ni Paris. Nak na?
I try. Make it like this.
Oh, keep na half for yourself, huh?
I try.
It's okay. You do it.
I try one.
Hey, Josh! Tignan nyo guys, tapos na kami sa aming party bags. Show me the party bags first. Just one. Show me. Wow!
You go.
Ayaw, open up. Don't knock.
No, I'm not opening it. I'm just holding it.
Oh, okay. Just holding it. Okay. Alright, tingnan nyo guys. Oh, ganyan lang. Enjoy na yung mga kids nyo guys. So we have 12 here. You want Mama to open this one?
Yes, open this for Elsa.
For Elsa?
Hey.
Kanta sa lagi og kuan. Elsa?
Wow!
Kanta sa The Snow.
Mama, I want the Elsa. My this is like Mommy.
Wow. Wow.
So cute.
So cute?
Elsa's cute.
And then brush your teeth later, okay? Okay?
Alright.
Alright. Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. And you know what? Ang ating baby girl pala ay nakatulog. So, we went to bed for, parang rest lang ba kaninang hapon. Tapos, yun, nakisabay siya guys. At hanggang ngayon, tulog pa rin siya. So, while she's sleeping, naisipan kong magluto na lang tayo ng spaghetti for tomorrow. So, okay lang yung spaghetti ngayon kulutuin kasi it's okay na i-serve naman siya cold. Diba? So, ilalagay lang natin siya sa fridge para bukas hindi na akong magkara-kara. Kasi magluluto pa ako ng isang putahe bukas, guys, which is the menudo. So, and kailangan natin pumunta ng park by 12 o'clock. And, well, actually, aalis kami ng bahay mga 11:30 kasi kailangan pang i-set upan o kasi sabi namin sa mga bisita na 12 o'clock start na doon. So, yeah. Kaya, ngayon na natin lutuin, guys. So, bumili ako ng ganito kanina sa Aldi. And then, ito yung naiwan sa akin dyan sa ating pantry, guys. Tagal ko na to siya binili, hindi ko lang siya naluto. Pero, ano pa naman, August pa naman yung kanyang expiration date. Ayan. And then, ngayon, si Daddy Mike ay nag-shower lang. But, after that, pupunta siya ng Woolworths kasi I need cheese for this one, guys. And you know what? Wala kasing Eden cheese dito. And yan yung talagang masarap, diba? Para sa ating spaghetti. Pero wala sila dito, guys. However, meron tayong alternative from Safeway. And, yeah, hindi ako nakabili kanina. Kaya yun. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, bumalik ka na lang doon. And he will go soon. And we've got our, pork beans. Ayan. And nagpapakulo na ako ngayon ng ating, tubig. And we'll just cut this. And para wala na tayong bukas. Alam nyo guys, sinabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike na sobrang nagsistress ako. I don't know. Sabi ni Daddy Mike na, why do you stress? Like, kalma ka lang. It will be fine. Ewan ko guys, like sometimes parang nag-ano lang ako, parang nag-worry lang ako ba na baka ma-fail ko yung mga visitors and all. Parang gusto kong maging perfect guys. Ganun kasi talaga ako. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Ito pala yung ating pa-outfit guys today kasi very warm outside. So, ito yung suot ko. But I think this would be the last time na isusuot ko to. Maybe if not the last one, maybe second to the last. Kasi sumisikip na siya dito guys. Alam niyo naman na lumalaki ng ating baby girl. Ayan. Oh. Diba? Lumalaki na siya guys. Ihiyak na ako guys ha. Hiyak. Hindi siya. Yan na yan. Oh. But yeah. Pero alam niyo bukas, parang uulan yata. But I'm hoping, fingers crossed na yun ba talaga, hindi talaga yung bundak gud ang ulan ba. Sana ano lang, talithi lang sana. Talithi lang sana guys, para naman okay kami sa park. Otherwise, dito na lang kami sa bahay if ever.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo, mga loves. It's now 8:44. Ayan. Ayan. 8:44 ng gabi. And here's the final result. Ay, hindi pa pala final result to guys kasi bukas ko nalalagyan ng cheese. But ting-ting-ting! Ayan. Nakakain na rin ako konti guys. So, pasensya na if may mga orange-orange sa aking bibig. Ayan. So, isang ganituhan lang. Guys, hindi naman sila mauubos bukas. Alam niyo naman guys, yung mga puti dito, mostly, ano lang yan sila, yung mga finger foods lang, ganun. So, this one is para sa mga Pinoy talaga na bisita natin bukas. Ayan. And then, nakakto na rin to guys. So, nakakto na rin tong meat. Ayan. So, ready na siya para bukas lutuin natin. So, maaga gigising si Mami bukas, guys. Kasi, 11:30 dapat makaalis na tayo dito. Ayan. Tapos, ating baby girl, nakakain na pala. Nandun sila sa lunchroom ng daddy niya. Tingnan natin. Uy, yung dilim. How's my baby girl? How's my baby girl? Are you okay? Sana all puti ang ilok. Sana all puti ang ilok. Did you say, oh my goodness.
I'm okay.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna.
Oh my goodness. Is it your birthday celebration tomorrow? Who's coming tomorrow? Tell me.
Scott.
Who?
Scott. Everest.
Everest? Ano nga ba? Who's coming tomorrow? Your friends?
I want Mary.
Mary?
Ula.
Ula?
Awad.
Elwood?
Phoenix.
Phoenix?
The guy.
No, Mary's brother. What's his name?
Testy.
Dusty. And you'll see tomorrow lots of titas. You'll see Mamo. You see Mamo Weng?
Yes.
Toby Mamo Weng?
Mommy.
Nanay Wallen?
Like that.
Nanay. Ann? Lagi pang nanay na manakit din ang likod na kaya nanay. Yung mga tita na yun ba? Oh, Elsa is coming tomorrow too.
Yay!
Elsa and Anna.
Yes.
And do you know what they're gonna sing?
Let go!
Let it go!
I'm through the door.
Huh?
Through the door. More.
Yeah. Turn away, slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on.
Why you have it there and my itchy here?
Itchy?
And here.
Itchy?
Yes. No, that's scratching. Make my itchy.
That's Daddy, guys. Say hi, Daddy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You say, oh my goodness ba?
Okay.
Luwak-wak, witch. Yeah. Which dress are you wearing tomorrow?
Ula.
Which one?
Ula.
Ula.
Yes, Ula.
Which dress you gonna wear tomorrow?
The one that I bought. Right na guys. It's now, 11:40. Can you believe that? Gising na gising pa ako. And also Paris, oh.
Okay, put my hand in bed.
Yes, honey. Ang bukas maaga pa ako gigising kasi magluluto pa ako. Ganyan yung mahirap guys kapag wala kang katulong dito, no? Kaya nga pag mga ganito, yung mga birthday, mga ganyan. Hindi talaga ako guys kasi ang hirap kapag wala kang family na nakakatulong sa'yo ba? Like, ikaw lang. Nandyan si Mike, but still, alam niyo yung pagluluto ng Filipino food, yung ganun. But anyways, guys, we'll end the vlog here now. I'll just do a quick shout out. First one goes to Ray's channel, Irene Aliperio, Molly Navidad, Luz Tiongson, Mylene Franco, Annalise Enday, Digna Villavicencio, Joanne Ambe, Muntaha Vlog and Cook, Elena Risulis, Maricar Castaneda, Maricar Remota, Lisel Cataylo, Jing De Ases, Ameline Apare, Melissa Ruiz, Jane Espinosa, Guchik Maldita, Rosemary Hilab, Rinar Mary Huerta, Marlene Di Malanta, Jocelyn Pason, Nori Aliada, Marie Salas, and Michi Manalo. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
bye. Maya, come on,